Just this morning, I was watching a video on YouTube. Different guy, one I'd not heard speak before. He asked his wife to come up and pray before he began. As soon as she began to pray, her enthusiasm for the Lord made him smile. Most importantly, she then touched her husband's shoulder and continued, "And Lord, this amazing, handsome, talented, kind, wonderful man." She put her hand on his back and her head briefly on his shoulder. "God, we just pray, Lord, all of what you have to bring through him. God, we just say yes to that too." As a result of her prayer, his face lit up like a little boy's on Christmas morning, one who'd suddenly discovered exactly what he wanted under the tree. I actually replayed this clip several times. Such joy, such fun, such pure delight.